Is drinking green tea with milk bad for you? Green Tea Quiz. Provided to you by Japanese green tea company. Catechin is a compound, which is good for your body. To keep most of the catechin benefits, follow these 2 tips. Number 1. Choose soy milk rather than cow's milk. Number 2. Choose matcha rather than SENCHA. Since matcha is powdered and contains the full leaf, you will get more of the health benefits on matcha when drinking the same amount of tea. Just don't forget that matcha tends to have more caffeine than SENCHA, so if you are drinking at night or limiting caffeine intake, it may not be a good idea to drink matcha. Back to the question. The answer is, it is not bad for you to drink green tea with milk, but it reduces the catechin benefits, although drinking this way will not lose all the benefits. But please note that the tea combined with milk does not produce chemicals that are bad for your body. This is an often heard myth. Overall, it is not bad for you if you drink green tea with milk. Thanks for watching. Japanese Green Tea Company. Harvested with love in Japan.